Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. This episode we're gonna reset the maintenance light on my 2021 Toyota RAV4. I took my RAV4 to the dealer for the first oil change for the 10,000 mile service and they didn't reset the light. We need to do this because the RAV4 right now, the oil life is not being resetted. So we need to reset it so the RAV4 knows that when it hits 20,000 miles, it's gonna tell me to do the service again. If you have key, put it on the on position, don't turn on the car. If you have a start button, just press it twice. Okay, it says maintenance required soon. Now right here you have the arrows and the OK. And right here you have the go back button. Press that one. Okay, it's gonna take you back to the main screen. What we're looking for right now is you can move it to the left or right. We're gonna move it into the setting. Okay, that's the settings. Once you go to that screen, you can press down. Once you get to vehicle settings, press OK and hold it. Okay, now you can reset the maintenance light. That's the automatic start button, TPWS, and schedule maintenance. Once you get to schedule maintenance, press OK on your steering wheel and it's gonna ask you to reset data, and then you just go up, press yes, press OK, and reset is complete. Now you can go back. And that's how you reset the maintenance light on your 2019 to 2021 Toyota RAV4. Okay guys, that's how you reset the light. In case that you're doing your own oil change, that's the way to reset it. I hope you like this little episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.